Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very rough day here for Tesla. Things were looking extremely strong on Wednesday, big late day breakout, and then of course it gapped down, and then after the gap down, just continued to build and build and build, and a whole lot more selling pressure showed up. So like I said, I realize I state the obvious when I say that there's a lot of downwards momentum. There's a lot of selling pressure here that has shown up. But now it brings about, a couple of next levels that, nothing's guaranteed, but, very logical to think that these levels could very well be tested. And that next key level to watch closely, going to be right down there at $650. It's a good old round number, and you go through the history of the chart, and you can see this was a former area where there's some history. Again, generally speaking, right around that level, including right there, that bounce point. So the price isn't quite there, but like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching, rightfully so. It's a valid thought to have that if the price does, maybe go sideways and then go down, and if it does break through 650, that could very well create quite a bit of additional downside selling pressure, even if you just want to call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. But that is, again, not guaranteed, but a valid thought to have. If 650 is broken, the next key level to keep a close eye on would be that former breakout point right down there around $635. So there's certainly some potential for, more downward selling pressure and momentum to build on Friday. But to be fair, last time the price was down around here, a very impressive bounce happened. So does that guarantee it's going to, bounce again? No, absolutely not. But again, it's at least a valid thought to have that, maybe there's some sort of bounce that maybe is trying to take place there moving forward. And if there is any sort of bounce, first key area of resistance, watch very closely, is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, currently valued at $668. And then in the next key level would be that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average, currently valued at $686. So keep your eye on those as levels of resistance if there is any sort of attempted bounces. But yeah, right now, no doubt about it, quite a bit of downward selling pressure has certainly shown up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.